Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some of the coolest Amazon finds you need to see right now. From smart home upgrades to budget-friendly gadgets and stylish essentials for your home, everything is useful, affordable, and totally worth it. Let's jump right in. Number 1, the Good 8 Wall Sconces Set of 2, a stylish lighting upgrade that instantly transforms your home with a warm, modern, and elegant look. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or hallways, it gives your space a clean and hotel-like vibe. It improves lighting, creates a cozy and aesthetic atmosphere, saves space by not needing floor or table lamps, and instantly upgrades your home decor with a more premium feel. All products links are in description below. Number 2, the Kingboard Tabletop Ironing Board, a compact and practical solution for quick and easy ironing at home. Its portable design makes it perfect for small spaces, dorms, or travel use, giving you convenience wherever you need it. It saves space, is easy to store, heats up your ironing routine by making it faster and more efficient, and provides a stable surface for smooth wrinkle-free clothes without needing a full-size ironing board. Number 3, the Epil Bathroom Vanity Light Fixtures, a modern lighting upgrade that instantly brightens your bathroom with a clean, stylish, and elegant glow. Perfect for mirrors and vanity areas, it enhances both visibility and decor. It improves lighting for daily grooming, creates a fresh and modern bathroom look, saves space with wall-mounted design, and gives your bathroom a more premium and well-designed feel. Number 4, the Chibio Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful and lightweight cleaning solution designed to make home cleaning fast, easy, and hassle-free. Its cordless design gives you full freedom to clean anywhere without being stuck to a plug. It helps clean dust, dirt, and pet hair easily, saves time with strong suction power, allows easy movement around the house, and makes everyday cleaning more convenient and efficient. Link in the description below. Number 5, the Bedsure White Throw Blanket, a soft, cozy, and stylish home essential that adds comfort and elegance to any room. Perfect for sofas, beds, or lounging, it brings a warm and relaxing feel to your space. It provides extra comfort, keeps you warm during cold days, enhances home decor with a clean and aesthetic look, and is lightweight, soft, and perfect for everyday use. Link in the description below. Number 6, the Coel Bathroom Trash Can with Lid, Set of 2, a smart and hygienic waste solution designed to keep your bathroom clean, organized, and odor-free. Its compact design fits perfectly in small spaces while keeping trash hidden and covered. It helps control bad odors, keeps your bathroom neat and tidy, saves space with its compact size, and adds a clean and modern look to your bathroom setup. Number 7, the KTC Portable TV Touchscreen Monitor, a high-tech, portable display that gives you a smart TV and touchscreen experience wherever you go. Perfect for entertainment, work, or gaming, it brings flexibility and performance together in one device. It offers a large, clear display, supports touch control for easy use, is portable for anywhere setup, and enhances productivity and entertainment whether at home or on the move. Number 8, the Uclamp Battery-Operated Wall Sconce, a wireless and stylish lighting solution that upgrades your home decor without any wiring or installation hassle. Perfect for bedrooms, hallways, or living spaces, it adds a warm and elegant glow anywhere. It works without electricity wiring, is easy to install anywhere, creates a cozy and modern atmosphere, and gives your space a premium decorative look with flexible placement. Number 9, the White Faro Artificial Olive Tree, a beautiful home decor piece that brings a natural, fresh, and modern aesthetic to any room without any maintenance. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or office spaces. It requires zero watering or care, stays green all year round, enhances interior decor with a realistic natural look, and adds a calm, stylish vibe to your home instantly. Number 10, the SwitchBot Automatic Curtain Opener, a smart home gadget that lets you open and close your curtains automatically with just a tap or app control. It adds comfort and modern automation to your everyday routine. It works with smart control from your phone, saves time and effort, improves home convenience, and gives your space a futuristic smart home upgrade feel. Link in the description below. Number 11, the Cornerful Tabletop Fire Pit. A compact and stylish mini fire feature that adds warmth and a cozy vibe to your indoor or outdoor space. Perfect for relaxing evenings, patios, or tabletop decor. It creates a warm and relaxing atmosphere, is portable and easy to use, adds aesthetic charm to your space, and is perfect for small gatherings or cozy nights. Number 12, the Tisiak Handheld Steam Cleaner. A powerful and portable cleaning tool that uses high-temperature steam to remove dirt, grease, and stains from multiple surfaces with ease. It helps deep clean without chemicals, kills germs and bacteria, works on kitchens, bathrooms, and fabrics, and makes cleaning faster, easier, and more hygienic. Link in the description below. Number 13, the Inspired Living Collapsible Ultra. A smart space-saving storage solution designed to keep your home organized while being easy to fold and store when not in use. Perfect for laundry, toys, or household items. It helps save space, is easy to carry and store, keeps your home clutter-free, and offers flexible storage for everyday needs. Number 14, the Uhoma Portable Dryer. A compact and efficient drying machine designed for small apartments, dorms, or limited laundry spaces. It quickly dries your clothes without needing a full-size dryer. It saves time with fast drying, works in small spaces, is easy to move and install, and helps keep your clothes fresh, soft, and ready to wear anytime. Link in the description below. Number 15, the El-Lohas LED Night Light Plug-in. A smart and energy-efficient lighting solution that provides a soft, warm glow for your home during the night. Perfect for bedrooms, hallways, bathrooms, or kids' rooms. It helps improve nighttime visibility, uses low energy, automatically lights up in the dark, and adds comfort and safety to your home environment. Link in the description below. Number 16, the Bumit Electric Food Processor. A powerful kitchen gadget designed to make chopping, mixing, and food prep faster and easier for everyday cooking. It saves time in the kitchen, reduces manual effort, chops ingredients quickly and evenly, and helps make meal preparation more convenient and efficient. Number 17, the OG Home Steamer for Clothes. A fast and convenient clothing steamer designed to remove wrinkles quickly without needing a traditional ironing board. It heats up fast, smooths wrinkles easily, works great for travel or home use, and helps keep clothes looking fresh, neat, and ready to wear in minutes. Link in the description below. Number 18, the JOOM Tripod Clothes Drying Rack. A smart and space-saving drying solution designed to hold multiple clothes while taking up minimal floor space. It helps air dry clothes naturally, saves energy, folds easily for storage, and keeps laundry organized with its stable and portable tripod design. Number 19, the Senkoi Antler Table Uplight Lamp. A unique and stylish decorative lamp that adds a warm, rustic, and cozy feel to your home decor. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or cabin-style spaces. It creates soft ambient lighting, enhances room aesthetics, adds a luxury decorative touch, and makes your space feel more warm, relaxing, and inviting. Link in the description below. Number 20, the Jandcase LED Night Light. A compact and energy-efficient lighting solution that adds soft brightness to your home during the night. Perfect for bedrooms, hallways, bathrooms, or stairways. It improves nighttime visibility, helps prevent trips and falls in the dark, uses very little energy, and creates a calm and comfortable atmosphere throughout your home. Link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing Amazon finds and smart home gadgets.